Howdy, students. Last time that we were together, we played some Dance Dance Revolution with your number cards. So if you still have them, you are going to use them again. But if you don't, feel free to grab a couple pieces of paper and label them 1, 2, 3, 4, just like we did before. Now remember, last time we said 4 on top of the time signature, or a meter of 4, was the most common time you're going to find. It's so common, it's actually called common time, because 4 on top of the time signature is going to happen, goodness, all the time, probably in 98% of the music that you listen to on the radio, not just music class music, but your fun listen at home music is going to be in meter of 4. So I've got a new song for you that I want to share. We're going to get away from the New York ska jazz, slowing it down a little bit. And I want you to take a listen and see if we are in meter of 4 or if we are in something else. Just listening. Alright, should we try 4 and see what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 sounds crazy, doesn't it? This does not sound good, because we want beat 1 to be the heaviest one. And I'm finding when I count all the way to 4, beat 1 is not the heavy one. The heavy one is changing. Sometimes it was 4, sometimes it was 3. So let's get rid of him. And let's make this 3. We'll see what happens. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. Isn't that so much nicer? It fits the way it's supposed to. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's experiment with not common time of 4, 4, but still a very regular answer for the top number of the time signature. Let's play around in meter of 3 today. We're back in our moving space, but this time, if we're meter of 3, I will only see 1, 2, 3. So your 4 card, throw them out the window. We don't need it right now. Don't actually throw them out the window. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, and we are back to level 1. So I will see those cards in order, 1, 2, 3. And we'll see if we can match your feet to the correct numbers. Remember, don't step on the numbers. Step on your carpet or your tile or your wood floors at home so you don't go sliding on those pieces of paper. So away we go. Meter of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Have you noticed that this one's a little harder to do than 4? 1, because 4 is common time. You felt it the most when you've listened to music your whole life. But also, 4, I have 2 legs. I could just divide them up and it wasn't a big deal. But 3, you kind of need to create a pattern. So I had this like behind my foot thing going, but you might find that you want to turn sideways. 1, 2, 3. So find a way that works for you. I'll give you a little bit more time on level 1 before we switch, because I know meter of 3 is harder to feel. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to switch mine. 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, you've been upgraded. Level 2. We are still in a line, but you may change your order. Yours doesn't have to be the same as mine, but I went 2, 1, 3, which means my feet on beat 1 will be with number 1, beat 2, be with number 2, beat 3, be with 3. So match your feet just like we did last time. And go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I'm going to try mine a different way. 1, 2, 3. 2. This way is a little balance challenge. And the final frontier, level 3, where they don't have to be in a line, but nothing crazy. We have to be on time. Our goal is still to be beat full. So you can't put them in different rooms in your house. It's too far away. Level 3, I made a little triangle. You make yours however you want, and we'll try together. 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, I gotta figure out how to do this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I might try this way. I got a little tangled there at the beginning. 1, 2, 3. That's kind of hard.